Now let's talk about common multiples and lowest common multiples. So, common multiples. Consider the number 2 and 3. Multiple of 2 is equal to, written here, the table of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 are the multiples of 2. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and so on. So here common multiples between the multiples of 2 and multiples of 3 are 6. Here the circled number we can see here, the common number are 6, 12 and 18. Do you think there can be more multiples of 2 and 3? Yes, if the list of the multiples continues, let us know how. Now find the common multiples of 2, 3 and 4. Multiples of 2 is equal to, when we extend writing the multiples of 2 beyond the 10th multiple, we get 22 and 24 and so on. Here in 3 also, when we write, we have written till the multiple 24 only, and in 4 also we have written till the multiple 24 only. Now we will see in all the three multiples, all the three numbers multiple 2, 3 and 4, that which number is common in all the three num- uh, factor multiples. So here 12 is common in all the three factors, and again 24 is also common. So 24 and 12 are the common multiples. If we continue to find more multiples of these number, more common multiples will be found. Now let's come to know about lowest common multiple. You have learned to find the common multiple of 2 and 3 numbers. Let us now find the lowest common multiple, which is LCM of the given number. When we have written the common multiples, we will see which is the lowest number or the smallest number which is common in the given numbers. Let's see the example. Look at the multiple of 4 and 6. So multiple of 4 is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. And multiple of 6 is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30 and so on. So the common multiples are 12 and 24. But the lowest common multiple is 12. So 12 is the LCM of 4 and 6. So to find the LCM, we have to find the smallest number, which is the multiple of the given numbers. Now next, to check if the bigger number is the multiple of the smaller number, we can simply divide the bigger number from the smaller number if the number is divisible. So it is the multiple of the smaller number. The bigger number must be exactly divisible by the smaller number to be its multiple. So here 48, we have to see that is 48 a multiple of 6. So we will divide 48 by 6, and 48 divided by 6 gives us 8 as quotient. So 48 is completely divided by 6. So we can say that 6 um, 48 is the multiple of 6. Now next 55 is divided by 7, but 7 does not divide 55 exactly or completely. So we can say there that from this division that 55 is not divisible by 7, so it's not the multiple of 7. Now see, let us see relationship between factors and multiples. We know that 1 is the only number which has only one factor. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So 1 is the only factor of 1. It is also the multiple of 1. So the number 1 is the only number which has one factor and also one multiple. Next, second one, some numbers have only two factors. Number 5 has two factors, 1 and 5. The product of these factors is their multiple. Third, number can have more than two factors. Look at the factor of 12. 1 into 12 is equal to 12, 2 into 6 is equal to 12, 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So these are the different factors which when multiplied we get the product as 12. 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4 are the factor pairs of 12. The product of the factor pairs of the multiple of the is the multiple of the factors. Fourth, multiple factors are less than or equal to the multiple of the number. So factors can be equal or less than the multiple of the number. The number itself is the smallest multiple and the greatest factor of its number. The number which we are taking is the smallest multiple and the greatest number factor of its